Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Zaki Mutakin Putrandita as presenter of research entitled The Difference in the Level of Adherence to the Mediterranean Diet to Blood Pressure in Hypertensive Patients. And the authors of this study are Dr. Yudit, Dr. Andri, Dr. Lukman, Dr. Iis, Dr. Dewi, Rifki, and myself. First, the introduction. The background of the research. Hypertension is a condition where there is elevation in systemic blood pressure. There are two strategies to lower blood pressure. First one is drug therapy, and second one is lifestyle modification, including a healthy diet. One of the recommended healthy diet for hypertension patients is the Mediterranean diet. The application of the Mediterranean diet is influenced by the adherence, so it can have a positive impact in lowering blood pressure. In addition, research on the adherence to the Mediterranean diet to blood pressure has never been done in Indonesia, so we are interested in conducting this study. The hypothesis of this study is there are differences in the level of adherence to the Mediterranean diet to systolic, diastolic, and mean arterial pressure in hypertensive patients. Material and method. The study was conducted with an analytical method with prospective cohort observations to determine differences in the level of adherence to the Mediterranean diet to blood pressure in hypertensive patients for 1 month. Population in this study were all hypertensive patients, consisting of men and women, received education about the application of the Mediterranean diet of the clinic, underwent the Mediterranean diet, and joined PRONIS program at the clinic in Bandung City. Research flow. First, we determine a clinic with PRONIS in Bandung City and do permission to the clinic. After that, screening blood pressure and patient data, then do informed consent, so the subjects is obtained according to the inclusion criteria. Research subject fill out the food frequency questionnaire 4 times in 1 month, and blood pressure was checked after filling out the questionnaire. And then assessed adherence to the Mediterranean diet using alternate Mediterranean diet score based on the median consumption of the subjects. Finally, analyzing data for determine the differences in the level of adherence to the Mediterranean diet to blood pressure in hypertensive patients. The study used digital sphygmomanometer, food frequency questionnaire to assess the patient food consumption, alternate Mediterranean diet score to assess patient adherence based on the median value of the consumption of the Mediterranean diet component of the questionnaire, and food model to help the subject fill out the questionnaire. The study was conducted after obtaining ethical approval by the Health Research Ethics Commission of the Faculty of Medicine, General Ahmadiyani University. Researcher explained the purpose, benefits, and discomfort of the study, and subjects signed the consent form. And researchers are not forcing patients to become research subjects. Results of the study. The average age of the subject is 58, and the median is 59. The youngest age of the subject is 40 years, and the oldest age of the subject is 79 years. Most of the research subjects were female, with a total is 23, and 16 subjects were male. The adherence to the Mediterranean diet in the study was divided into 3 categories, including low adherence is 16 patients, moderate adherence is 12 patients, and high adherence is 11 patients. Differences in the level of adherence to the Mediterranean diet to systolic blood pressure in hypertensive patients with p-value is 0.001 was obtained based on the ANOVA test. It means there is a significant differences between adherence to the Mediterranean diet to systolic blood pressure. Post-hoc test results showed a significant differences in systolic blood pressure values between high adherence category and low adherence category with p-value is 0.001. These results indicate that the higher patients adherent to the Mediterranean diet, the lower the systolic blood pressure value. Diastolic blood pressure p-value is 0.029 based on the Kruskal-Wallis test. It means there is a significant difference between adherence to the Mediterranean diet to diastolic blood pressure. Mann-Whitney test results showed a significant differences in the diastolic blood pressure values between high adherence category and low adherence category with p-value is 0.005. These results indicate that higher patients' adherence to the Mediterranean diet, the lower the diastolic blood pressure value. Mean arterial pressure p-value is 0.003 based on the ANOVA test. It means there is a significant difference between adherence to the Mediterranean diet to mean arterial pressure. Post-hoc test results showed a significant differences in mean arterial pressure values between high adherence category and low adherence category with p-value is 0.002. These results indicate the higher patient's adherence to the Mediterranean diet, the lower mean arterial pressure value. Discussion. The Mediterranean diet has underlying mechanism in lowering blood pressure, such as the anti-atherogenic, anti-thrombotic, and anti-inflammatory effects of various components, including the first one is the content of olive oil and vegetables can relax the endothelium. The anti-inflammatory properties of fish, nuts, and seeds can maintain endothelial functions. And the Mediterranean diet, low in processed food, so it's low in sodium. Mediterranean diet contain the components that have an impact on reducing LDL and its oxidations, reducing oxidative damage and production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, increasing insulin sensitivity, lowering lipids as an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-atherothrombotic, and increase nitric oxide production so it can lower blood pressure. The result of this study is consistent to previous study that there is a difference in blood pressure between low, moderate, and higher adherence to the Mediterranean diet. Conclusion. The conclusions of the study is there is a significant difference in the level of adherence to the Mediterranean diet on systolic, diastolic, and mean arterial pressure in hypertensive patients. And the another conclusion of the study is higher the level of the patient adherence in the Mediterranean diet, the lower the systolic, diastolic, and mean arterial pressure patient values. Here are several references for this study, and that's all the research that I present. Thank you for the opportunity. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.